onion chutney and curry leaf chutney. Let's start our video. Curry leaves 2 cups, green chilli 2 or 3, tamarind small size ball, garlic 2 or 3 cloves, salt required, grated coconut 2 tablespoons. Put all ingredients in a mixer. Add little water and grind it well.
For tempering the chutney,
Mustard seeds half tablespoon, urad 3/4 tablespoon, hing and curry leaves. Add 2 tablespoon oil in the pan. Add all ingredients for tempering. After tempering, transfer the chutney to the kadai. Some of its benefits are: it's good for eyesight, it controls hair fall, it helps to sharpen our mind, and many more. Its preparation is very simple and has more benefits. Onion 1, tomato 2, garlic 3 cloves, curry leaves, tamarind a small size ball, salt required, dry chilli 2. Put all the ingredients in the mixer and grind it well. Mustard seeds 1½ tablespoon, urad dal 3/4 tablespoon, hing, a few curry leaves. Add all ingredients for tempering. After tempering, transfer the chutney to the kadai. Stir for 2 minutes and our chutney is ready. Let's taste our dosas with our healthy chutneys.